In 2025, Pakistan is once again facing one of the most devastating floods in its recent history. Torrential monsoon rains, accelerated glacial melt in the northern regions, poor urban planning, and cross-border water releases have combined to create a humanitarian crisis. Entire villages have been submerged, crops destroyed, and thousands of families displaced. According to reports, more than 800 people have already lost their lives, while millions are affected across Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Gilgit-Baltistan. In Punjab alone, nearly 1.2 million people have been affected, with almost 250,000 displaced from their homes. The situation worsened when sudden glacial lake outburst floods struck mountainous regions like Gilgit-Baltistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, triggering deadly flash floods and landslides. At the same time, India's release of water into rivers such as the Ravi, Sutlej, and Chenab further intensified flooding in Punjab, placing several districts under extreme danger. Cities like Lahore, Faisalabad, and Gujranwala are on high alert, while rural areas remain drowned under continuous rainfall. Meanwhile, urban flooding in Karachi and Rawalpindi has highlighted the country's fragile drainage systems and poor disaster preparedness. Experts point to climate change as a primary driver of these disasters. Studies show that monsoon rains in South Asia have become 20 to 30% heavier due to global warming, deforestation, and rapid melting of glaciers. Pakistan, being among the top 10 most climate-vulnerable countries in the world, continues to pay the price of global carbon emissions despite contributing less than 1% to them. The impacts are severe. Beyond the loss of human lives, there is large-scale destruction of infrastructure, roads, schools, and hospitals. Farmers have lost entire harvests, leading to food insecurity. Waterborne diseases such as diarrhea, malaria, and skin infections are spreading quickly among displaced communities, creating an urgent need for medical aid and clean water. To address this crisis, both short-term and long-term measures are crucial. In the short term, Pakistan needs stronger rescue operations, rapid relief distribution, and improved early warning systems. In the long term, the country must invest in stronger embankments, modern drainage systems, reservoirs, and green infrastructure. Reforestation is vital to absorb excess water, while global climate finance is urgently required to build resilience. Regional cooperation, especially on transboundary water management, is equally critical to reduce risks in the future. Pakistan's floods are not just a natural disaster, they are a wake-up call. Unless bold action is taken today, the coming years will bring even deadlier monsoons and even greater suffering.